Hello everyone, I'm Mr. J Minecraft Official. Today I'm gonna show you how to change our skin to the newer and to custom skin in the newer version of Minecraft in the 120 version or newer. Well, let's go even better, even faster. So as you can see, in the newer version you go to resource pack settings and open pack folder. Now I'm uncheck here and enable this part. So this is the explorer and this is the resource pack. The superstar skin is here. We have to update our old skin assets, but the location is different. Check carefully here: textures, entity, player, slim. This is our skin to the newer version of Minecraft, and in the void is this part. So we go to assets and let's go to Minecraft versions for Optifine. Open this part. I'm gonna open this by WinRAR. Then here come to assets folder, Minecraft, textures, effect node, entity, player, slim. This is the game reads characters from here, white and slim. Both game reads all character skins from these folders. What do we do now? We have to make our resource pack like this path and like the slim and white folder, and check and copy and expand our character and copy it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 with 9 images such as this and with PNG format, and with these names: Alex, Ari, FAK, and etc. So CJ, assets, Minecraft, textures, entity, player, slim and wide, these characters, and by this option we can change our skin to custom skin. We can by this way change our skin, and it's working fine. Goodbye.